Hello again, my little witches and wizards, and my little witchlings and magical beings. Today, I'm going to give you a brief lesson in dream magic. And we're not talking illusionary magic like they do, like David Copperfield and those guys do. We're talking real magic here. Okay, now, what you'll need, you'll need to get yourself some, go to the store, it'll usually be in the soup making aisle. You'll need some white beans, the small white beans, okay? I'll show you what they look like. That's what they look like, okay? Now, for dream magic, here's what you want to do. You could use up to two of these. If you use more than two, your dreams will start becoming disconnected and nightmarish, okay? So what you want to do, and there's two ways of using it. You could take your beans, get two beans, and you want to have ones that aren't discolored. So you want them to look fresh. You don't want ones that have the skins falling off. You don't want them to look black or like brown or anything. And the lighting's bad, I know, in here, so they may look a little bit brown on the with lighting, but they're not, okay? And you take a bean, and here's the first way of doing it. And on your bed, like, okay, here's the pillow. You take a bean and you put it under your pillow like that, and it'll bring on dreams for you, and you'll remember it. If you have more than one pillow, or if you only have one pillow, you could use up to two, like I said, and so you'll get a longer dream when you use two, or you'll get two parts of the same dream. You want to either put it on one on one side and one on the other side, or if you're using two pillows, you would put one under the one pillow and then one under another pillow over here, like. Okay, so this would be my pillows here. So you'd have one here and one here. Now, that's the first way of using it. The second way of using it, if you want to request a specific dream, you would hold it in your hand and tell the dream beans, and say, "Little dream beans, I want to dream about whatever," and you tell it what you want to dream about. Then you put it under your pillows, and when you go to sleep, you'll remember your dreams. Now, and it doesn't matter how many pillows you have on your bed either; they'll still work. I mean, you could have multiple layers of pillows as long as it's under whatever the bottom pillow is, and when your head sleeps on that pillow, you'll have the dream at that point. Now, the good thing about these also, if you can find your bean in the morning after you wake up, and you save it, and then you want to dream about the same dream again, if you save it and put it back under, it'll give you either the same dream again, or it'll give you a continuation of the same dream. It'll always bring on whatever dream it started with. So, and I've actually tried this where I've had some dream beans that I've used many, many times, like the one that I used, I dreamed of the play Cats, and I tried it again, and then it's brought it on again, and then it kept continuing the dream, and I've tried it several times, and it was like the same dream over and over, except different parts maybe, but it was still like a continuation of the dream. So it's real simple magic. Beans have been used for a long time with dream magic, but they never really have told you how they're used. They're usually used with grinding them up and putting them in magic dust, dream dust, or whatever. But this is a direct way of using it, and it's real easy. And they're cheap. I mean, a bag of beans is probably like $1, and you get like several thousand in a bag. So, you could experiment and bring on your dreams. Have fun with it, and Again, don't use more than 2, because if you do, it'll become nightmarish. Well, dream safe and sleep well. Bye.